What's going on with the truckers? So first thing I want you to do is I want you to follow my guy Houssein.aleidan, man. He has some great videos. He seems to be a DOT magnet because all of his videos he gets stopped by the DOT. But he had a very specific question on this one. Basically, he gets stopped for a level 2 inspection. And so during this video, that guy was actually really cool and said he was extremely organized. Check this out.
I was impressed with all your paperwork and everything, so yeah, you're way more organized than most.
So he actually has this amazing experience with this DOT officer, and guess what? The next day, another DOT officer pulls him over. Hotshot truck drivers, you're probably getting pulled over all the time, and that must be annoying. If you are one, comment down below. Do you have the same experience? Now, with that said, here's the thing that Hussein really wanted to know. Can that truck driver just open his door? Because he just opened it out of nowhere.
Push your seat back for me, please, so I can see you.
Sure. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you just gotta electric.
I'm just gonna, just move it back.
You're good. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm Sergeant Keene with the State Police, Commercial Enforcement.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. The reason I stopped you is for commercial inspection.
He saw that he had a level 2 inspection already. He saw the sticker, and he was like, don't worry about that. I'm still gonna do an inspection on you. So
sure. Actually, I don't know if it matters, but I literally got a level 2 yesterday.
Okay. Well, it's all right. I'll still do my inspection.
So, do those inspections actually mean nothing? I mean, mother truckers, comment down below.